Whoa! How did Ker Plunk appear on this table? I guess it's another episode of What's Inside? Happy May Day, everybody! Oh, look at this. Happy May Day, Neville! Happy May Day to you, Quinn! Oh, Magic 8 Ball that knows everything. Should we do What's Inside of... Should we do What's Inside on Ker Plunk or just let it be? As I see it, yes, so I guess we'll do a What's Inside. But first, I got a big announcement to make. Neville, you do the announcement. It's my birthday tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow, May 2nd, Neville's birthday. He's gonna be 2. He was born May 2nd, 2017. But for now, here's a good May Day celebration. Ker Plunk, don't let the marbles fall. I just got this today as a May Day present, so... Man, that's a really cheap box. So... Hold on. Man, is there like a piece of tape on here or something? This is a really cheap box. Oh, great. Now my finger's stuck in there. Okay, let me try this. Oh, wait a second. Wait just a minute. I think that is what you do. Crying out loud. How do you get this darn thing off? Finally! Man, that took too much effort. What's the name of this? Mattel Games, stop using cheap boxes. I know you're an older set, but come on. I almost accidentally tore your box up. I almost had to because you can't use cheaper boxes. Okay, on the bright side, the box isn't damaged. Let's see what we got. Oh my god. They packaged this well, but hopefully there's not tape. Okay. Okay, you guys. So I guess this is the thing you set the tube on. Haven't you guys heard of this game? It's a very 90s-like game. It's the one that... It's kind of like the honeybee game, where you grab the stick and you get leaves, where you grab the leaves. Okay, you guys, don't you have to rotate it at a certain angle? You guys, don't you have to rotate it like facing upward or 90 degrees? I don't know. So I guess that's about the... Okay, you guys, sorry. Gotta do this one more time. You know what, you guys? That's about the best I can get it. So, here's the sticks to the game. And they're actually stuck to like a plastic plier thing. Like green has all the green sticks, red has all the red sticks, and this one has all the orange sticks. So I guess whichever stick you touch first, that's the one you have to get out. And I guess you pour the clear marbles in there, and then you rotate it your direction. And then when the game's done, when there's no more sticks, no more marbles, blah blah blah. Actually, no, when there's no more sticks or marbles, I guess you count out your marbles, and whoever has the fewest wins. Alright, you guys, maybe that's how you play it. There's the instructions. I wish the marbles were better, and really, they should make better boxes. That was good. And Neville's birthday is tomorrow. I gotta figure out how to get this done. Bye-bye.